वफाकी वज़ीर इत्तलात अता तारड़ ने वाज़ेह किया है कि चीनी सदर का दौरा पाकिस्तान CPEC फ़ेज़ 2 के हवाले से गेम चेंजर साबित होगा। SCO तैयारियों के हवाले से गैर मुल्की मीडिया से गुफ्तगू में वफाकी वज़ीर ने कहा कि शंघाई ताउन तंजीमी इजलास के लिए तमाम तर इंतजामात मुकम्मल हैं। इस इजलास से दुनिया भर में पाकिस्तान का मज़बूत इमेज दुनिया में जाएगा।
The SCO summit in Islamabad, not only Pakistan is honoured and we take great pride, but I think with regard to regional connectivity, with regard to our regional issues, with regard to the economy, with regard to culture. So there's a lot that we have to exchange, there's a lot to talk about, and this is for the mutual benefit of the people of this region. The arrangements are in place. We made foolproof security arrangements as well. The city has been decorated, preparations are going on for bilateral talks that the leaders will like to hold here on the sidelines of the summit. So the Chinese Premier's visit and bilateral talks this time around will prove to be a game changer, and we've had various meetings with the Chinese sides on different levels. Their delegations have been to Pakistan to explore further areas of cooperation, further areas of strengthening our trade. So this visit will be a game changer in terms of CPEC Phase 2.